In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Airtable to Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly what information you need from Airtable, where to find it, and how it's used inside Power BI so you can start building reports from your Airtable data. Let's start inside Airtable. First, open the base that you want to connect to Power BI. A base in Airtable is essentially your main project or database containing all your tables, views, and records. Make sure you're in the correct base because the information we're about to grab will be specific to this one. If you've got multiple bases, it can help to quickly double check the base name at the top of the screen so you don't accidentally connect the wrong one later. Once your base is open, look toward the top right area of the Airtable interface for the Help menu. Click on Help, and in the drop-down, choose the option called API Documentation. This is where Airtable automatically generates technical documentation for your base, and it's also where you'll find the base ID you need for Power BI. When the API documentation page opens, it should already be showing details for the base you had open. Take a moment to confirm the base name at the top of that page matches the base you want to connect. On this page, Airtable lists important information such as the base ID. This ID is a unique identifier that Power BI will use to know exactly which Airtable base to pull data from. Scroll or scan the page until you find the base ID section. It's usually displayed near the top of the documentation. Once you've located it, select the base ID and copy it. You can use your normal copy shortcut on your computer. It's a good idea to paste this temporarily into a safe place like a blank document or a text editor so you don't lose it while you switch between screens. You'll also need an API key from Airtable, which is used alongside the base ID to allow Power BI to access your data securely. Make sure you have that key stored safely as well and never share it publicly. Now that you've captured your base ID and have your API key ready, the next step is to move over to Power BI. If you don't already have Power BI on your computer, go ahead and download it. You can get Power BI Desktop from the official Microsoft website or through the Microsoft Store, depending on your operating system. Follow the installation prompts, and once it's finished, open Power BI Desktop. Later, when you are ready to create the connection, you'll use the Get Data options in Power BI. This is where you'll paste in that Airtable base ID and your API key. Power BI will then use those details to connect directly to your Airtable base and pull in your tables and records. From there, you can begin modeling your data, building visualizations, and creating interactive reports based on your Airtable information. So to recap, you open your base in Airtable, go to Help and API Documentation, copy the base ID, make sure you have your API key stored securely, download and open Power BI on your PC, and then paste the base ID and API key into Power BI when you're ready to connect your data. Once that's done, your Airtable base becomes a live source for powerful reporting inside Power BI.